it's moving day. I just thought I'd show you a quick glimpse of what we kind of do. We get everything off of the counters and we put it in this one slide out right here so it doesn't go flying. The kitchen, I still have to wipe up the counters, but I've got the dish soap and then all of my bottle brush cleaners in the bottles so that they don't go flying as we drive. Kiddos are working on some coloring activities right over here, and Levi's watching his baby brother. So cute he is. Don't know if you could really see, but he is sleeping in that back room there, and Daddy is sleeping in that room there. So I'm just getting the living room and bathroom done.
Oh, my boys are getting big. Levi, you're getting strong. Don't drop him. Is he heavy?
Yeah. Charlie, if you could move anywhere, where would you move?
I would move to the crystal line.
Levi's practicing his violin. It's sounding good. It's moving day. Mommy and Charlie are getting ready.
Alright, we're getting ready to go. And
upper slides in. Watch your foot. Alright,
so we just
Onyx
push the button, and then these slides start coming in.
And you got to do this before you hook up the truck because it's got to stay level. Otherwise it can mess up the underside of the slides. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, there it goes. Smile, Charlie. You're going for a ride.
And there we go. So it all comes in, you get this tiny little walk space, and then we use a curtain rod to keep the freezer shut. Austin will show you.
Bam. That's pretty technical right there.
And that keeps the freezer closed while we travel. And then we go get buckled up. Here we go. Levi, if you could move anywhere in the world, where would you move?
I would move to Arkansas.
To Arkansas? Why Arkansas?
Because it was like toads, lizards, all kinds of stuff.
Cool. All right. All right, we are all buckled up. We've got Levi back there, Charlie right here, Landon right over there, Onyx chewing on something underneath the stroller, and we're about to move our house. Here we go. All right, and we are in the house.
All right, the house is set up. Check it out. Got our awnings out and everything. And we decided to last minute do a Labor Day party. So we're gonna get everything organized. She's got the invites going, and
Gonna get out of my pajamas.
That's a good idea.
Yep.
So might make some potato salad. I don't know yet.
Landon, if you could move anywhere, where would you move?
Landon.
An old buddy of mine decided to take me sailing. So his name's Philip Stout, and we're gonna go for a ride. I'm sailing. Bring the rigging in. Is that what you say?
What are you doing, bud?
When a turtle go, we catch them in springs all the time, and they get eat by like herons,
Blue herrings.
and like raccoons. And
Yeah, so we're gonna let that little guy go. You gonna show us how you do it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go see. All right, here we go. Let's see him go. Just let him go, buddy. All right, there he goes. Bye, little turtle.
Bye. Bye.
Don't go in those bushes. Hey, Charlie Ray, are you a princess?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I see you twirl? Can you twirl? Ooh.
Look at my wings.
Oh, beautiful wings. How pretty. Do you like this spot?
Yeah.
By the water. So you lean it in the dark. There goes the
I want to
puppy.
tell them something.
You want to tell them something? Okay. What are you going to tell them?
We let a turtle go.
Yeah.
We miss
It's okay. We miss them. Maybe we'll see them next year. Woo! Good one, bud. Woo! I went all the way over there.
Hey, what's Nate gonna do?
A cool back.
Oh, okay. This is Nate the Great, and he's gonna do a backflip for us. Okay, do something cool. He's running away.
Don't do like a hula backflip. Don't do like a sideways backflip.
You ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Wait,
Woo! Say, way to go, Nate.
but I didn't see
That was
it.
awesome. So we're having our Sunday party.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Landy Bear's sleeping. Kids devoured their food. Brother and all his friends are over. Hi, baby. Hi there. What you doing? What are you doing?
Hope you guys liked the video and no, stop it.
No, you stop it.
No, you stop it.
Try again. Go.
Hope you guys liked the video. Like it.
No, you stop it.
You
So
do
this
it.
is our outro. Ready? Take 3. Action. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe, like it, do all that stuff. Share it on Facebook. We want to get more than 5 followers. So if you guys can help us out, that'd be cool.
Alright, see you next time.